Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the summer FabFitFun for you all. I've already opened my box and used all the products inside so I can give you some little mini reviews. That way you can determine if the box would be of value to you. Now, if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription that is $49.99 a month, and the value of the box is always amazing, which we will get into. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. This is the box that it came in this time. Every time there is a different design to the box, and I just thought that this one was very cute. Also, every month you get a little magazine that has all the products listed, their values, as well as the cause that the box supports, and every time it comes out is supporting a different cause. This one was the Wildlife Conservation Society, and if you go online to givasip.com, and you pledge to use less plastic, they will actually send you a free metal reusable straw. So you guys are free to do that as well, if you see fit. And I just think anytime that you're getting goodies for yourself and you're also benefiting a great cause, it's a win-win. So this box, you have the choice to upgrade if you want. Now, I do think there is a fee for that, so I didn't do that. But this time, the summer box, you had 5 different options if you did upgrade. I got to make 2, and I just have the base option. Just whenever you sign up for the box, it comes with this. So I got to make 2 of those 5 choices. So I'll go ahead and I'll start with the products that everyone got in their box, and then I'll move into the choices that I made and then the other options as well. So the first thing that I want to start with is the product that I was most excited for and the one that made this box worth it automatically, and that is the Ferrero Luna Fofo. This values at $89, and I really love this. I'm actually going to do a dedicated video on this guy because I just think that it's super cool, and there's tons of details on this item that I'll get more in depth in that video on. But this, I have a Clarisonic, and I like this much more. The little heads on here are a lot more gentle on your skin than the Clarisonic, and then there's also no heads or anything like that you need to replace. It's super hygienic as well. So yeah, I love this. The next thing that everyone got in their box was the Coola SPF 50 Classic Face SPF. This values at $32, and it is both an SPF and moisturizer in one, which is great for this time of year. You should be wearing SPF year-round, but definitely in the spring and summertime. So this is great. It is very moisturizing. It doesn't leave a white cast. It does have that sunscreen scent. However, it is very light in this product. So nothing that would aggravate your skin at all. And it is made for your face. So I haven't had any issues with this breaking me out. So that is great as well. The next thing that everyone got was from Pier 1 Imports. And this, the value for this item was $14.99. It is a ring dish. Now, I don't use ring dishes like this. I actually already have one, and it's one that you actually slide your rings down onto. And I keep that in my bathroom. So I won't get any use out of this. However, it's very beautiful. It is a full-size product. I am going to give this as a gift to someone eventually. I don't know when, but that is what will be happening with this. So that's another, great thing you can do with these boxes if you don't have a personal use for them. They are all full size. They are all things you can go buy, just like that Luna that launched exclusively through FabFitFun. So it's new products as well. It's not stuff that's being phased out or anything like that. These are a lot of the time brand new items onto the market. So that is another great thing. So now I'll go ahead and get into some of the options that you could choose from. And I'll start with the one that I regret. I chose the Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with Charcoal. This is 7.25 ounces, and this retails for $48. Now, I chose this because I was like, oh, a body scrub, a super high-end body scrub, because I never buy high-end body scrubs. I think I've mentioned that before. So I thought that this would be a great option. However, this is a fail for me, really. So the first thing, and something that I just completely didn't think about, was the delivery method of this. So I'm not going to use a scrub in the bath, obviously, because I don't want to be sitting in there with all of those granules. So this I would definitely use in the shower. Now in the shower, if you take this lid off, you're going to have water beating down from the shower, and you don't want that to disturb the product. Now, that would kind of be okay if you could just open this and scoop it out, but you can't. It's got this liquid in here, which I will try to show you without spilling it, but you have to mix those two together in there before you can even use this, the liquid in there with the granules. So that is just annoying to me. And then the granules inside of this are not scrubby enough for me. If I'm going to use a scrub, I want it to really exfoliate my skin. I just felt like these were too soft. They didn't do good enough of a job. Now, it did leave my skin extremely moisturized and just subtle from that. But it didn't exfoliate well enough. Now, the third thing that I did not like about this was the scent. This smells very strongly of cinnamon, and I'm not familiar with cinnamon body care, so I was not a fan. I definitely would not repurchase this. I will use it just because, like I said, it was very moisturizing, but other than that, this is a no. I really wish I would have gone what I was kind of debating. I originally had this Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. I originally had this in my cart, and then I changed it to this. So I wish I wouldn't have done that. And then the other option was this ring, which I just did not like the design of. So I was completely fine not getting that. The next item that I'm going to talk about is one that I chose as well. And this is the Yumi Kim Makeup Train Case. And I chose the floral design. It also came in another design that I will show you, but this retails at $58. And this is great for travel. It's got 2 zipper enclosures. I have this thing slam full, and I actually could fit more product in here, but I just wanted to show you how much you could fit in here. Like, I have got a ton of stuff in there. Where I've been filming for the past 2 days, I've just been throwing everything in here, and you can really fit a lot. And then the top zipper closure has got an inner zipper as well. You could put like Q-tips or bobby pins or feminine products in here, and then it also has a place for your brushes, which I think is great, and it has a dust cover for those as well as something to secure that. So I just think that this is great. I will get a ton of use out of this, especially with me in summertime right now, and everyone traveling. So I really, really love that. I'm happy with that. This was the other design that you could have chosen from. And then the other option was this microfiber towel, and you had the option of 2 choices there. I'm really happy with the one that I chose. Now, the next thing I'm going to get into is this one right here. This is the one that I was sent. It's the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Palette. And that is the one that I would have preferred, actually. The second one was a Tarte eyeshadow palette, and it came with an eyeliner, so I much would have preferred this one, and I'm glad that is the one that I was sent. Now, if you did upgrade, you could have chosen whatever choice you wanted, but I like, not knowing sometimes. So this is what this palette looks like. This retails for $45, and if you are a makeup lover, you would know that Tarte is a pretty good name brand. So I was excited to get this, And like I said, this values at 45 bucks. Your box is 50, so it's kind of like you're getting everything else in your box for 5 bucks, which I think is amazing. I am going to do probably a separate video on this just because I've used it a few times at this point, and there was something that surprised me on this, so I just thought I would share it with you guys. And it smells like vanilla, so it smells so good. The next thing, I was happy with what they sent me. All of the things that I didn't choose, I was really happy with what they sent me. It's like what I would have preferred. So the second items I'm going to talk about is this right here. It is a Orlando Pita Play hair protectant treatment spray, or the Elemis enzyme peel. And this is the one that I got. That's the one that I would have preferred. Before getting this box, I had never used an actual peel, and I can tell you that this one right here really, really does something. This retails at $45. It is 1.6 ounces, and it is a product that you put it on your face and you can feel that it did something immediately. So this is very high quality. I would recommend this. I love the scent on this. Great product to get in the box. Okay, so now we are to our final item, and again, this is one that I will get a ton of use out of. And these were your options here. So you've got a Vasanti facial cleanser, you've got these resistance bands, and then you've got this wallet. I definitely, probably would have been between the cleanser and the wallet for me, but I can definitely see myself getting more use out of the wallet, and that is what I was sent. So that is the Minor History Postscript wallet. It's very dainty, very cute. So this is what it looks like right here. It's got the little wristlet. I really like the envelope enclosure here, and you know, there's just enough room for your cards and maybe some cash. So I've got my driver's license and my debit card in here, and I actually pulled this out of my purse because I have been using this ever since I got this box. I love this. Whenever I am shopping or anything like that, this is really all I like to have with me anyway, is my cards and my phone, and that's it. I don't like to carry around a big bulky purse with me, so I love this. Now the total value for my box was $351.99, and I paid $49.99 for it. So the value is amazing. This one and BoxyCharm are my all-time favorite subscriptions. I love them. I think the value is just through the roof. I've never got a FabFitFun that I did not like. So it is just, it's great. I will have the link down below in case you're interested. I'll also link all of these products down below if you're interested as well in checking any of them out, as well as everything that I have on my face. I hope you guys have a good day, and I just want to end on a positive note. I would just like to say, spread positivity. Do something kind for someone today. Give a stranger a compliment. I just think that the world would be such a better place if we all did just give one random person a compliment today. You know, so yeah, I urge you guys to do that. If you have any experience with any of these products down below, please let me know. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.